వెల్కమ్ టు స్టూడెంట్ స్టడీ సెంటర్ 10th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లెవెల్ 2 వర్క్షీట్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఈ వీడియోలో వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 23 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. యూనిట్ 3 ఏ రీడింగ్ ది జర్నీ సెగ్మెంట్ 2. ఈ వర్క్షీట్ థర్డ్ యూనిట్ ఏ రీడింగ్ ది జర్నీ నుంచి ఇచ్చారు. ఈ వర్క్షీట్లో టోటల్ 4 సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. 1, 2, 3 సెగ్మెంట్స్లో కలిపి 20 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ రీడింగ్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్, సెకండ్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ వొకాబులరీ అండ్ గ్రామర్ అండ్ థర్డ్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ ఎడిటింగ్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం సెక్షన్ 1, సెక్షన్ 2 అండ్ సెక్షన్ 3 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. సెక్షన్ 1 ఈస్ అబౌట్ రీడింగ్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1 to 10. రీడ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్యాసేజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెసన్ ద జర్నీ. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు ఫ్రమ్ ది లెసన్ ద జర్నీ. దీంట్లో 10 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, 1 to 10. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దెమ్. A large crowd gathered at our place the day I was to leave. People had come to wish me luck. I was turned 20 when I left for Diran. My father had already left. As I had to do a bit of catching up, I walked fast. 3 kilometers down the road, I caught up with my father. Father said, "You are late. Would you like to rest for some time?" Having walked fast, I was tired. Moreover, I had to cross 2 hills on the way up to the spot. I quickly sat down on a rock. My father laughed at my plight. So, this little distance has tired you? Rest for a while. But we have in time for the bus. Father was quiet for some time. He thoughtfully looked at the sun for a moment, and then his eyes fell on the can of homemade wine that I was carrying. Wetting his lips with his tongue, he said in a matter-of-fact manner, "I am thirsty." I gave him the can of wine. He poured himself a mug and handed me the can. He drank all of it at one go. He then arranged the belt that was attached to the trunk carefully on his forehead. So, this was the picture. My father carrying my luggage on his back and me following him with a tiny bag in my hand. We were walking up a narrow hilly road, and neither of us uttered a word, as if we were strangers who spoke different languages. I did not know what was going on in his mind. Time to time, it crossed my mind that it was improper for me to let father carry the luggage. I wanted to tell him that I would like to carry the trunk myself, but my guilt and shame did not allow me to do so. This self-consciousness had probably to do with my education, the white-collar job that I had, or quite simply my pride. Somehow, I had the feeling that if I carried the luggage, my father and my people, in fact the whole world, would laugh at me and I would be little. Now answer the following questions. Each question has 4 choices. Choose the correct answer. ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్యాసేజ్లో నుంచి 10 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. We have to choose the correct answer from these options. Question number 1. A large crowd gathered at his place because ఆథర్ దగ్గర చాలా లార్జ్ క్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ గ్యాదర్ అయ్యారు. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ హీ వాస్ రిటర్నింగ్ టు హిస్ వర్కింగ్ ప్లేస్. ఆప్షన్ బి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. ద ఆథర్ వాస్ వరీడ్ అబౌట్ క్యారీయింగ్ ద ట్రంక్. ఆప్షన్ డి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3. పిక్ అప్ ఏ వర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్యాసేజ్ విచ్ మీన్స్ డిఫికల్ట్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ప్యాసేజ్లో మనకు ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంది, దాని మీనింగ్ difficult situation. What is the word? Option B. Plight. Question number 4. Father laughed at his son's plight because author వాళ్ళ సన్ యొక్క డిఫికల్ట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ చూసి నవ్విండు. ఎందుకు? Because he was carrying a can of homemade wine. Question number 5. Wetting his lips with his tongue, he said in a matter-of-fact manner, "I am thirsty." The phrase "the matter-of-fact manner" refers to emotional. Option A. Question number 6. The author and his father did not utter a word while they were walking up the hill road because వాళ్ళు బస్ స్టాండ్కి వెళ్ళే అప్పుడు వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఒకరితో ఒకరు మాట్లాడుకోలేరు. ఎందుకు? ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ద ఫాదర్ వాస్ క్యారీయింగ్ ఏ హెవీ లోడ్. ఆప్షన్ బి, ద author was carrying a tiny bag. Option C, both of them were tired. Option D, the author felt it was improper to make father carry his luggage. Correct option is option D. The author felt it was improper to make father carry his luggage. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ తన లగేజ్ని క్యారీ చేయడం తనకి ఇంప్రాపర్ అనిపించింది. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7. సో దిస్ వాజ్ ద పిక్చర్. వాట్ వాజ్ ద పిక్చర్? అక్కడ మనకి ఆథర్ దిస్ వాజ్ అ పిక్చర్ అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అబౌట్ వాట్ హీ వాస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ఫాదర్ క్యారీయింగ్ ద సన్స్ లగేజ్ ఆన్ హిస్ బ్యాగ్ అండ్ సన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ హిమ్ విత్ ఎ టైనీ బ్యాగ్. వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ ఆథర్ యొక్క లగేజ్ని క్యారీ చేస్తున్నాడు and the author was carrying a tiny bag. This was the picture there. Option A. Question number 8. The author felt that he would be littled. Why did the author felt littled? Because if he carried the luggage. Option C. The author felt he would be little if he carried the luggage. Option C. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is not in accordance to the passage? Option A, the author was tired while on his way to bus station. Option B, the author was feeling guilty in allowing his father to carry the luggage. Option C, the author was more worried about people and villagers. Option D, the author knew what his father was thinking. Option D is the correct one. The statement which is not in accordance to the passage is option D. The author knew what his father was thinking. Question number 10. What type of a text is the above passage? Above passage is a story, narrative, an essay, a play. What type of text is the above passage? Option A, story. The above passage is a story. Section 2, vocabulary and grammar. Question number 11 to 15. Read the passage given below. 5 of the words are underlined and numbered. Choose the correct answer as directed from the given choices. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు అండ్ 5 అండర్లైన్డ్ వర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఫ్రమ్ 11 to 15. ఇక్కడ మనకి 11 to 15 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఎలా అయితే డైరెక్ట్ చేశారో వాటికి మనం అలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Father wanted to say something and the bus started moving. Underlined word is and. Number 11. Question number 11. Replace the underlined word with the correct one. ఇక్కడ మనకి and place లో ఏమొస్తుంది? Father wanted to say something but the bus started moving. Option B, but. I saw my father gradually receding into the distance. Underlined word is gradually. Number 12. Question number 12. Write the word that is opposite in meaning of the underlined word. Gradually అనే word కి opposite word ఏంటి? Option A, suddenly. Next underlined word is receding. Number 13. 13th question. Choose the meaning of the underlined word. Receding అనే word కి meaning ఏంటి? The meaning of the word receding is go back. Option A. I saw the road we had come by looked like a giant motionless rope. Father would use the same road to went back home. Underlined word is went. Number 14. 14th question. Replace underlined word with a correct form. ఇక్కడ మనకి went place లో go వస్తుంది. Option A. Father would use the same road to go back home. Simultaneously, our journey started in two opposite directions, with me seated in luxurious seat of bus and father walking back with weary legs on the pebble-strewn road. Underlined word is luxurious. Number 15. 15th question. Choose the word that gives the same meaning of the context. Luxurious. Option B, expensive. Section 3, editing. Question number 16 to 20. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు. ప్యాసేజ్లో 5 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఫ్రమ్ 16 to 20. నెంబర్ ఉన్న సెంటెన్స్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ సెంటెన్స్లో ఒక ఎర్రర్ ఉంటుంది. we have to find the error. Father had provided for my education and I had been able to realize his dreams. Number 16, and the sentence is, my parents were truly proud at me. This is a sentence, and error in the sentence is, my parents were truly proud of me. Ikkada 8 plus lo of ravali. Option C is the correct one. Number 17, it was through me that they had earned a great degree of admiration and respect from the villagers. So error in the sentence is, ikkada manaki great place lo greater ravali. It was through me that they had earned a greater degree of admiration and respect from the villagers. Option C. Number 18, my father would not like to see me carrying a trunk on my back and would be very hurt if I do so. And error in this sentence is, ikkada do place lo manaki did ravali. So this is the error. So the correct option is option A. My father would not like to see me carrying a trunk on my back and would be hurt if I did so. Number 19, father was used to carry luggage anyway. And error is carry kaadu ikkada carrying ravali. This is the error. Option A is the correct one. Father was used to carrying luggage anyway. Number 20, sentence is, he was stronger and more skilled than me in this matters. Is the error in this sentence? Ikkada in this kaadu, in these matters. మ్యాటర్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ మనకి ప్లూరల్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దీస్ అనేది రావాలి ఇక్కడ. సో ద ఆప్షన్ బి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ వన్. హీ వాజ్ స్ట్రాంగర్ అండ్ మోర్ స్కిల్ దాన్ మీ ఇన్ దీస్ మ్యాటర్స్. వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 24 we will discuss in next video.